Will Filecoin hit $50 or $10 first? That's what this video is all about. What up, homies? It's the Crypto Homie back at you with one of those great crypto videos. Make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So, Filecoin, we got to dive right into it. Head over straight to coinmarketcap.com. You see Filecoin's currently at $26, up 26% in the last 24 hours. Whoa, that's kind of crazy. That's some massive gains right there. It has a $546 million market cap, so it's still, still kind of young. It hasn't matured yet. That's what we like to see. And the current sentiment on Twitter is couldn't say it any better than Lil Moon Lambo. Nobody, literally no one. Filecoin price action. Yeah, that's the Filecoin price action right now. It's not looking that great. We head over to trading view. As you guys can see in a previous video, I made a video that wasn't liked a lot because I said when Filecoin was I think $50, I said I expect this thing to fall down to $10. Yes, like in the beginning, I said, will Filecoin hit $50 or $10 first? And I firmly believe Filecoin will hit $10 before it hits $50 again. Now, did I say it's going to go to $10 and go to zero? No. So all you people that are crying now, smashing the dislike, can just go away because we're not going to stay down. This thing does have long-term potential, but in the short term, I definitely believe that we're going to hit $10, and it's going to be a massive, massive buying opportunity. In that video that I made, I also did say if Bitcoin starts pumping, I think Filecoin will pump as well, which I think I was wrong about that. Yes, guys, I'm admitting I believe I was wrong about that because Filecoin has still continued to go down. We are just starting to see on the daily a slightly move to the upside. Just slightly, though. So as you guys see on the 4 hour, I mean, it's just been a downtrend. You had the launch here, and it's just been going steady down. Now, it kind of looks like we may have bottomed here. It kind of does look like we may have bottomed around $20 because I was saying it's definitely time to buy below. When it hits $20, that's when I'll start dollar cost averaging in case it really doesn't hit $10. But that's firmly what I believe a $10 Filecoin could easily happen. Right now we're popping back up. We shall see what happens throughout the next couple of days. If Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin ends up hitting 20K at the end in a week or two, then of course, I mean, I'd expect Filecoin to hit $50 before $10. But I mean, how likely is that? I mean, even if that does happen, how likely will Filecoin follow? Because people might be selling their Filecoin to buy Bitcoin. You know how that works. So then we may even see a lower Filecoin, which, guys, don't get me wrong, that's a great buying opportunity. So just putting that out there. I was checking out the Filecoin on the tweeters. You can find them at Filecoin. Scrolling down, guys, it seems like there are people always working on this. I mean, they're always having some kind of live stream or some something going on, which is great. And as I was scrolling down, guys, they have an AMA, Ask Me Anything with the Filecoin team, and we can head over here. It was on October 24th, which today's October 24th. So that's the latest and greatest in the crypto space. Zoom in a little bit. As you homies can see, says to conclude Filecoin liftoff week, the Filecoin team hosted a live AMA with the Filecoin community on October 23rd. But guys, keep in mind, Filecoin just officially launched on October 15th. Okay, it hasn't even been 10 days. Has not even been 10 days. So this thing's very early. Hey, when mainnet launches, expect a massive pump and a massive dump, because that's just how it works, homies. If you're new to crypto, that's the secret. It's how it works. You see the FOMO? You want to be selling when everybody's buying. When everybody and their grandmother is buying into Bitcoin when it hits 100K, 200K, that's when you want to be taking that good old sweet profit, because that's just how it works. It happened in 2017. It's going to happen in 2021. I'm calling it. My homie's calling it. So yeah, guys, they have a Ask Me Anything. It's it's pretty great. I won't bore you guys to death about that. You guys can actually read that. If you guys want me to, just let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, so I mean, it's pretty cool. There is I like projects that answers the community questions. I like projects that are always keeping the community, the investors up to date, just like Cardano. So this is nice to see. And I mean, they definitely have an up to date. On Twitter, they're always posting something. It says we just wrapped up day 5, our last day of Filecoin liftoff. Hashtag. Check out the recap and major themes. So guys, there's always stuff to check out. You guys got to check out their Twitter. I mean, it is kind of amazing. I guess what I'm trying to get to at is, do I think I'm wrong about not buying any Filecoin? Do I believe it'll hit $10 before 50? I firmly do believe it has a higher probability of hitting $10 before it hits $50. Just in my humble opinion, based off of previous launches that I've seen Like I've been through so many like things. Like I mean, Hex was one of them, which right now I'm sitting on some massive gains. But there's things that I'm not sitting on massive gains because I FOMO'd in when it first launched, like H bars. I bought H bars as soon as it launched at like 9 cents. Now it's at like 3 cents. Okay, yeah, I did buy some back down when it hit 4 cents because hey, dollar cost average, buy some more, which is great. But I'm still down on my money right now. Now obviously long term I firmly believe in the project, but I mean that's besides the point. I mean I hear the homies buying a Filecoin at 50 bucks. I feel bad, homie. I feel bad because I mean, right now it's down 50%. So for every $100, you have $50. Now you didn't lose any money or you don't make any money until you sell, but still, I mean, you would have been better off buying. Just wait to see when it bottoms out. Like this may be a bottom, so this may be the time to buy. But I'm still holding out. We have good old Bitcoin still at that 13K level. Things are looking great. I mean, and there's been a lot of FUD. Like you go in here, it says the Filecoin, the decentralized cloud is here. They're trying to compete with Amazon Web Services, AWS. Are they really going to do that? Like, is that really going to happen? There's been a lot of FUD about how people like the mining process is very expensive, that it's just unrealistic. I mean, so is that really going to happen? Were the founders here just to make some bucks and pull the rug? Only time will tell. I'm not saying it is a scam. I'm just saying these are questions you got to ask yourself. And and this is where your question, put your hard-earned dollars. You don't want to put your hard-earned dollars into a scam. In 2017, there's that BitConnect thing. If you guys weren't here, it was the biggest scam out there, and people were making massive gains, but they didn't get any gains unless you sold before they pulled the rug. I mean, and now it's worth like nothing. So you got to be safe out there. Always question, and don't have one coin, don't have one. I diversify. You guys can see my portfolio update from like 2 months ago. It's on my channel. I have like a bunch of coins. So I'm not. I don't think I'm over diversified. I think I'm just good enough in my humble opinion. But I mean, it's cool to see. It's this first week, guys. Give it some time. Look. When we look on the daily, there's barely anything. Give this thing some time to mature. That just reminds me of Uniswap. I mean, more recently, look at this. You got to give it time to mature. On the daily, it's been a solid downtrend. We still haven't broke $3.20. We still have not broke $3.20. So keep that in mind. Like when things launch, there's a lot of hype and everybody loves it. They're wanting to buy. Like, oh, let's get these sweet gains. But really, you're just buying someone's bags that are selling. Think about that. Just think about that 1 second. It's investing is pretty simple. It's buy low, sell high, which that's what we like to do in this channel. So smash that like button and subscribe for more content. But look, I mean, Uni is definitely a great buy below 320. I mean, it'd be even a greater buy below 250, but only time will tell, like with Uni. But just please be safe out there, guys. When you see mainnets launching, it's good to buy way before the mainnet. I understand the whole IOU thing with this. I mean, we're not going to get into that to where could be an issue. But same thing with Uni. I mean, think about it. If you bought here, I mean, you got free Uni too, so that's what's up. But just keep in mind, if we continue to see Filecoin, I do believe it will go down. And then I mean, to keep your eye out with Bitcoin. I mean, it's at $13,136 for Bitcoin. It looks like Bitcoin's ready to set up for another major move. So Filecoin could, or people could actually end up selling their Filecoin for a loss to buy Bitcoin because now they're FOMOing into Bitcoin. See, that's just how it works. Psychology, you want to learn how humans react to the market because then you'll understand more and more why things happen the way they do. Because humans, I mean, it's fear and greed. That's why we check out the fear and greed index on this channel that most people don't like looking at, and most people probably think it's silly to look at that. But believe it or not, it's very basic. Buy low, sell high, and understand fear and greed. Understand human psychology, and you'll make some bucks. Alrighty, homies. So that's my little update about Filecoin. Am I wrong about the $10 Filecoin? No, I still think it's going to happen. But hey, only time will tell, and you got to make your own opinion, your own financial decisions, and take responsibility for yourself. Because this is not financial advice, just pure entertainment, educational purposes only. Smash that like button, subscribe for more content. Because the Crypto Homie is signing out.